Hello everyone, welcome to Selling Gist and it's me Selena with you. In this video we are going to discuss on fat burning food items that is easily available and affordable to all. And I'm sure if you add these food items at least 5 or 6 in your daily diet along with your exercise and regularly maintained diet, you can reduce your weight very easily. So let's go in detail to the video. So stay tuned. We cannot underestimate the benefit of cinnamon. It is not just for cooking. Cinnamon is one of the most effective for fat burning foods. You can easily get the weight loss benefits by adopting more cinnamon to your daily diet. Garlic. A component named allicin is found in garlic. Allicin not only a fat burning food, it also helps to flush the extra fat from the body. So consumption of the garlic will help to lose the body weight also. Lemons and oranges. These foods contain high quantity of vitamin C. Lemons and oranges are best to function as liver detoxifier. A healthy liver will enhance the body's ability to digest and burn the fat more quickly. Spinach has the power to lower the bad cholesterol, increase the metabolism and burn the extra deposit fat. You can cook spinach in many ways or can use it as a fresh salad. Green tea. Green tea comes on the top in the list of fat burning food. Green tea not only helps in burning the fat, it has so many other advantages. Make a habit to drink the green tea over the black tea or coffee. 1 cup of green tea would not help actually, but having 3 to 4 cups in a day can burn up to 80 calories without any exercise. Coconut and coconut oils. It helps in burning the extra body fat. Coconut contain medium chain fatty acids in high quantity. Medium chain fatty acids can increase the body metabolism up to 30%, which ultimately helps to turn the body fat to energy. Eggs. Eggs, especially the eggs white. Eggs whites are full of protein, and when added to vegetables, they make a delicious and natural vegetable omelette. Studies shows that participants who eat the eggs for breakfast in combination with the vegetables lost twice as much weight as those who just eat carbohydrates for their first morning meal. Apples, the old saying as we all know, an apple a day keeps the doctors away is really true. Not only but they can help to burn the visceral body fat. Oats. Oats are loaded with healthy fibers and can be added to many recipes for additional nutritional benefits. It is found in many studies that oats that can help lower cholesterol levels, especially in the people who are overweight or have type 2 diabetes. Full fat yogurt. One of the key ingredients in the yogurt is calcium that can not only strengthen the bones and prevent osteoporosis, but it can speed up the weight loss up to 50 to 70%. Choosing the full fat version of yogurt is particular Greek yogurt can help you to lose your weight when eaten up daily. Broccoli is a high in antioxidants which contain vitamin A, C, B9, K and folate as well as fibers that has been shown in many studies to cause the weight loss. Ground flax seeds. Ground flax seeds contain soluble fibers that when mixed with water can create a sticky mixture that is high in fiber and very effective in suppressing the craving and hunger. Pears. An average pear is equal to only 101 calorie, which remain a low amount. However, pears are a great source of fiber and have a low glycemic index. Extra virgin olive oil. A rich in olive oil has been found to increase the antioxidant level in the blood and cause the weight loss according to the study conducted on 187 participants over a period of 3 years. Ginger. A study conducted at the Institute of Human Nutrition and Columbia University found that those who drank a hot ginger beverage made them feel full and satiated for a longer period of time. Consuming the ginger reduces the feeling of hunger, aids in digestion, and enhances thermogenesis. And by the way, it helps us to reduce the weight. Peanut butter. Besides the taste, peanut butter can satiate the craving for sweet and junk foods, keeping you full longer. Make sure you purchase a peanut butter that is made from peanut only. It should not have any added oils or sugars or preservatives. Grapefruit. A randomized controlled trial conducted on 91 obese individuals studying the effect of grapefruit and grapefruit products on the body weight and metabolic syndromes have found that grapefruit eaten before meal is associated with significant weight loss and improved the insulin resistance. Tuna fish. Tuna fish is loaded with omega-3 essential fatty acids that can reduce the symptoms of metabolic syndrome. Choose tuna fish packed in the spring water as opposed to one packed in the oil to save on calorie. Tuna fish is high in protein and low in fat, making it the perfect choice for satisfying the meal and a fast belly fat burner. Walnut. There are endless studies that shows the healthy benefits of walnuts. They are delicious, affordable nuts and are high in protein, fiber and good fat. They are also one of the best natural sources of omega-3 essential fatty acids that provide calcium to build the strong bones. Legumes. Legumes are lower in calorie and high in fibers. A randomized controlled trial conducted on 35 obese men found that consuming the legumes could activate the mitochondrial oxidation, which could involve additional benefits to those associated with weight reduction. Avocados. In addition to being high in fiber, avocados are also high in heart healthy. Avocados actually contain anywhere from 11 to 17 grams of fiber. In addition to that, avocados may aid in weight loss. This incredible superfood can reduce the LDL, that is bad cholesterol, and raise the HDL, the good cholesterol in our body. Apple cider vinegar. Make sure you'll always choose the organic apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is not only for making the salad dressing or as a condiment. You can add it to water and drink to support your weight loss effort every day. Water. That's right, the water. Your liver needs to be able to detoxify you. And when it is stressed out, it makes it more difficult to metabolize the fat effectively, and that fat goes straight to your waistline. Pure, clean filtered water is an excellent way to increase the enzymes that detoxify your liver, allowing it to work more efficiently. Try drink more water and you will likely experience the benefits in areas of health you never imagined. Thank you so much for watching. So stay tuned with Cellingist and please add your comments in my comment box. Bye bye.